So let's start with constant object and constant member function. Today we will cover this topic. So constant object and constant member function. Sometimes in our program, when we are doing some special task, we are sending data from one point to the next point in case of networking or anywhere. In that case, if object is trying to update some data and we are in the position that we want to we don't want to get any change in our data member or class variable during transmission. So we have to keep our data constant. In that case, if object is trying to change, that is not possible in case of constant function or constant data variable. So we will write here program in dev C++, new project console constant So in main method, first I will create a class CSC int a comma b. In public section, first function that we will use here, get data. Cout enter values for a and b. Then display function. So display cout a equal to a, b equal to b, and ending of class with semicolon. Now we are creating an object for class CSC C, and you can call any method. Dot get data, then C dot display, write a prototype in front of function, void and save this function with constant. Now try to execute it. Cout namespace std, using is a directive, using namespace std. Using is also called a special directive keyword. A and b are initialized, it is printed. So get data function is not called from here, get data c dot this. So there is no input statement in get data, that's why it is not printing anything. C in a, b. After doing this, we want to create a function which must be constant. So for creating a constant function, we need to write const keyword at the back of any function. Then you can do this. only one keyword is assigned to the function as a suffix before the starting of body. Now this function will not modify any variable. Constant means you cannot change. So now we are not able to change anything using display method, and this constant function is callable by the object which is created for CSC class. C. A normal object can call any type of function that can be that can be normal function, or that can be constant function. Like display is a constant function, it is callable, output is in front of you, there is no error, like 30 and 56, so there is no error. Now the value are not changing inside display function, we are just displaying the function variables. So our normal object, this is a normal object, not constant, not static. So this normal object can call any type of constant function or any type of normal function, there is no issue. But a constant function can call only constant member function. One more thing, if you are trying to change anything like a equal to 20 inside display function, now you can easily identify what we can do. I think it will generate error. Error is that the member function void display is constant. Assignment of member CSC A is read only object. The functionality of this display function become constant. You cannot modify anything. Similar example, we can compare it with our banking system. If amount is message, if you are displaying any message, view balance, it means the balance is transferred by some variable. It is not minused by anyone, it's showing us to exact value what is sending by the server. Similarly, if you are giving transaction amount, withdrawal amount, and you put 1000, it doesn't become 10,000. Means the value is become constant, it cannot be changed by accidentally by any object, by any intruder. That value is become constant or hidden. So using these functions we can only send, display, return, this type of activity we can do. Like if I change its return type integer, then this function can return value of a. If I want to return both value, then it is not possible by using this a plus b. It means there is some modification, add is performed, addition operation is performed. So you can only do this, you can return a single value using this, and return value is taken inside x. Now again try to execute it, use cout statement for printing x. X equal to so what type of value is returned by a display function? X is 23. So it is acceptable outside function. These variable are normal variable, not constant, but inside function the value is considered as constant. Now I will create object as a constant, and we will see what effect it will generate on our class function const cscc. Now try to execute again. There are two functions. So first error, uninitialized constant is not initialized. Means if your object become constant, then how can you initialize the object memory? File permissive, F permissive. So here constant object became, but it does not initialize any value to the object, or class memory is not allocated because we cannot change the value of constant. There is a mandatory condition: if you want to make any object constant, in that case you have to initialize your object at the time of declaration. So by default object is not initialized, constant object is not initialized. So we need to create one more object here, one more constructor related to this class, and this constructor is a default constructor. Inside this we can write like a equal to 10, b equal to 10, 20, and let's see again what it is considering or not it. If it is not consider it, then we can make modification. So it considered the object value because we initialized object at the time of declaration, at the time of creation. Now problem is that second error, passing constant CSC as this argument of void CSC get data discard qualifier, means you cannot call any member function, any normal member function of a class which is not constant. There are two conditions. First, if you have a function with constant like display, if you have a function without constant, that is called normal member function. Both are callable by a normal object which is not constant. But if your object is constant like this statement, then it can only call constant member function, and it can only access constant data member if it is constant a and b. It cannot access any normal method, any class member function which is not constant. So what we can do, we can create, we will not call this method right now. We have already initialized our value using constructor and try to execute it again. So it must be called the display method because display method is a constant. So it print 10, 20 and value in x, that is written by this display method. So here we can easily identify the constant object can only access constant member function and constant variable. Second thing, if you are having normal object, then it can call any type of function. If object is normal, it can call any type of function. It can be constant or it can be normal. But constant object is initialized. First condition, it must be initialized during the declaration. So I think it is clear to everyone. If there is any doubt, please feel free to ask. So I think voice is clear to everyone right now.
Yes, sir.
So next point, constant member function. 2 points we have covered here: constant member function and constant object. So the role of constant object is most important when you are passing any object as a parameter to the function calling. The program may be of related to your network type, means you are sending data from one system to other using a parameter. So your constant, your object is able to handle that data as a constant value that cannot be modified during transmission or during calling of any function. Now, who will tell me how many parameters you can pass here? If I want to pass a and b, then what I can write here? How can I return multiple variable at a time? Is there any procedure?
सर अलग अलग रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट यूज कर लेंगे सर एक के लिए.
Return statement means you can only return one statement at a time. If you return one time, then there is no use of second statement. You can also verify by this example and you can easily analyze that it is not returning double time. If you return one time from university, then how can you return second time? There is
Sir,
one
return
value.
A, comma B.
What?
We can use comma then. Comma.
Comma B?
A. Yes, sir.
No, it is not possible. It cannot return multiple values at a time. Return will handle only one value. If it is possible, I don't know, but I think it should not. One value is there. X, B. Second value is considered, not A. So what we can do in this case, we can, I'm already discussing with you that constant object is used for creating a combination of values or to passing a complete object at a time. That must be constant or it can be without constant. If constant, nobody can change the value of object. If it is normal object, it can be passed. So recently in our previous program, when we are talking about constructor, we have passed object as a argument in copy constructor. What does it means? Means your object is having two value. As you know that your object can call get data function, display function, and it can use a and b variable which is private inside this class. So if you want to return anything, then what we can create, if your function is not constant, in that case you can write. So you can remove this constant from this function. Here you can easily understand what we are returning, and it's little bit advanced. So I will not complete this concept here. I will write in notepad so that you will not get confused about this. I am creating a program, or I can make a demo. I will not run it. Here your display function, and you are creating object C1. C1 is your local object. C1 dot A. According to this statement, if your C1 is a local object, the value is by default initialized according to our program. But if it is not initialized, you can initialize by this C1 dot A. C1 dot A is a local object, and A is a variable of that object. This A is coming from your class object which is already initialized. For this we can do one more statement, C1 dot B equal to B, and this C1 is containing both A and B. Now I can return here C1. So what is the type of C1? What is the type of C1? C1 is a type of CSC. CSC is a data type for C1. So the display return type will be, क्या होगा? Like if you are returning A, then you are writing int A. You have written here int A, so you write here int because you are returning variable A. Now you are written C1. C1, the type of C1 is CSC, so you will write here CSC, the name of class. So it will return CSC type, and the display function will receive value as a C3 object which is a CSC type. Or you can remove this line and you can write here, this is a constant object, so we will keep it normal, CSC C3. Then you can print C3 dot, using this display method you can call, because variables are private, so you can call this also. Or during initialization you can make some modification, like your display function is not constant, so you can make double addition to identify the value of C3 object, what we are getting from C dot display. So let's try to execute it. It will not call display method. because there is a constant object. Constant object can only call constant member function. Now there is one more error. Match the operator operand passed to std basic or stream. What we have written here. No need to write here, because it will return again object. So you cannot print object. You can print variable name using display function. That's why we cannot write c3.display as a cout statement. It will not directly print any object. So this is our output. We can easily analyze that 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 20 become 40. So it is the value written by our display method. So we can modify value. We can pass or return multiple variable using object. Not multiple return statement, only one return statement is used, because return means you call one function at a time and after calculation it will return something. So one value can be written by that function. Yeah, you can consider it that only one return statement will be available in function. You can write multiple statement, but at a time one return statement is identified by function. After that other statement has no use, other return statement. So it is better to use object to return multiple value or pass multiple value as a argument using object. So this is the concept of passing multiple values using object. How you can create constant member function and constant object. You can also create your class variable name constant. So it become constant, it is not changeable. So constant value must be initialized. Like right now I will again compile it. There is a error. Error is indicating that uninitialized constant member in const int, means your variable a and b are initialized in constructor, but constant constraint is that it must be initialized during the design time when you are writing your program. So you cannot initialize any variable in open area of a class like this. I will try it again. Is it possible or not? Then you can easily identify that. Can we initialize any variable? Warning: non-static data member initialized only a variable this CSCC read only member CSCA assignment. So there is a error. You cannot initialize, means this is a blueprint. Here we cannot initialize any variable, so you cannot write here constant. You can write constant inside constructor, inside member function. So all cout, cin or assignment statement like this, all are available in constructor or function in our previous program or current program. So we can say that all initialization, like you cannot write here cout. This statement is not possible in your class cout, because it is in open area. So in open area it is not considerable. Every cout cin statement must be inside function. This is an error. Does not name a type. It doesn't indicate any type like function type, member type, nothing is there. So you cannot write cout statement, cin statement, declaration, initialization statement inside class, because class is not providing memory. Your function is holding some memory space for variable, and this function is accessed by the object. So you cannot keep your value outside the function or in the class blueprint. It is just a structure, it cannot hold any value. So that is the main important point. So I think it is clear to everyone what is constant object, why we need to use constant member function, what is constant variable, can you initialize constant variable inside class, or how can you pass multiple variable using written statement. So is there any doubt
sir.
you can ask?